Okay, factoring part 2, number 1, 7b squared minus 53b plus 28. We know from factoring and paying attention to the structure of factoring and multiplying that the very first number we see, 7b squared, is going to be broken up into factors, and those go in the first spot of each parentheses. So 7 is a prime number, which means the only option here is 7b and b. I know that the last number, positive 28, is going to have to be broken into factors and be used with the second number in each parentheses, or we say the last number in the expression is 28, so the last number in each parentheses is made up of 28. So 28 can be broken up into 4 times 7, or 2 times 14, or 1 times 28. You can go through the factors you know in your head, or you can use your calculator to help you come up with those. You can look at the signs to help you know if it's going to be positive or negative at an easy level, because we have one negative sign at least. We know something in the parentheses is going to be negative. Maybe it's 1 or maybe it's both. You can look at the last sign to tell what it's going to be, and you should be doing that. We have a positive 28, so if there's going to be a negative sign somewhere, we need to have like -4 and -7, because if one of them is negative, we would have a negative 28, but we need a positive 28, so both of the numbers have to be negative. So you do have to think about the signs. If you ignored the signs and did them as both positive, we could still get the answer, but let's try this. So we just plug it in. I'm going to try -4 and -7 first and see what happens. We know that the two blue numbers will multiply to give me 7b squared, and the two red numbers will multiply to give me 28. And so when we distribute, the other thing that was done is we would do the outside numbers and we would do the inside numbers, and we would combine those. So 7b times -7 is -49b. And -4 times b is -4b. So if I put those purple numbers together, -49b minus 4b, I get -53b. So I happen to get it right on my first try. Sometimes you get lucky and you get it right on your first try. If you had a positive 53, what you could do is go in and change your negative signs from -4, -7 to +4, +7. If you try a pair of numbers and it doesn't work, you can switch their locations. So 4 and 7 could become 7 and 4. And once you've ruled out both of those, you could go on to a different pair.